Good morning. It's like 7:30 a.m. and for this week I decided to do a spend the day with me type video. So that's what we're gonna do. I just showered and I took my meds. So now I'm just hanging out on the couch for a minute and then I'm going to go eat breakfast and make coffee. Just kidding. I'm making matcha. We're now gonna fold my work towels. I also set up this little area of things that I'm going to be showing and talking about in one of my next videos. I'm now going to clean the baseboards, so that's fun. I just have a bucket of warm water with the washcloth in it, and I have this scrub brush with dish soap and white vinegar. I finished doing the baseboards in the bedroom and in the hallway, at least like the baseboards that don't have furniture in front of them. So now I am eating lunch. This rice is for my dog. He only has 10 teeth, so he needs softer food. We do give him kibble, but we like water it down, like make it mushy, but we're going to mix rice in with it too. I also made coffee because I started getting really tired, so now I have coffee. So I'm about to go do some small little things like with the reptiles and stuff when we fill their water, and then I'm gonna read a little bit. So here's a little montage of that. So I changed my shirt and brushed my hair because now we are going to hang out at my friend's house and watch TV and eat dinner. We're getting wine. Look for sangria too.
You want sangria too?
Yeah. I just got home. I didn't film it all while I was there, but I'm tired. So I'm gonna go to bed. I'm gonna take my meds and feed my animals and then go to sleep. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.